All right, so let's just get right into it. So we're talking about StreamYard again. But first, I want to show you a picture courtesy of my friend Raining Woman. So in this image, this is an email that you will soon receive from StreamYard in regards to your current plan between the basic and the essential plan. When you decide to cancel the plan, you'll be prompted with an important notice. That notice will remind you how many days you have left in the billing cycle. And it will also say this important, and it will notify you that you will lose access to however many video recording, and audio recordings you have left, and however many background logos and overlays you've uploaded, and access to the streaming destinations that you're currently using. On top of that, you'll lose all of the benefits and features. Now, the problem again with this is that StreamYard is not notifying people of this upfront. They're only waiting for people to find out when they decide to cancel. Again, terrible business practice. I cannot recommend StreamYard to anyone currently, as the way they're operating in business is very scammy and scummy, in my opinion. And again, looking at it from the the X perspective, again, there's a lot of people that are not a big fan of this price increase, and people are looking for options like EVMux and Restream. And honestly, all of these options are going to be great options for you, because the latter, when it comes to StreamYard and its current pricing, is just not something that I can personally recommend going forward. So that's it for now. Till next time.